Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to do the unboxing of the Noise Colorfit Pro, which is a smartwatch from the brand Noise. So let's get started. So first, let's take a look at the box. In the front, we've given the Noise branding, and here there's a picture of the actual smartwatch, black strap, and it's written Fitness Smartwatch Noise Colorfit Pro, IP68 waterproof with a heart rate monitor. At the side, the QR code for installing the application and Noise branding, and at the back some more information about the display, battery, case, strap, compatibility, connectivity and weight. You can pause the video and see the description, and some more information like IP68 waterproof, step counter, sleep monitor, tracking modes, fitness tracking, music control, camera control, notifications, call alert and push messages. So guys, now let's open the box, and the box opens this way, and this is the actual band and the strap for this. And now let's take out this. This is too tight. This is some plastic film, and this is our band, and here it's written, "Hi, I am your new fitness partner," and next to the band is written, "This is my strap." So let's take these out. Metal body, the Noise Colorfit Pro. Let's take out the straps. Silicone straps, black color. And let's check what's inside the box more. A charger dock and thank you letter and some more paperwork, and it says you can buy this band from Go Noise and Flipkart.com. I'll leave the link in the description box. If you want to buy, you can go there. And in the box it's written, tag us on Instagram. So now let's connect our band to the smartphone, but first opening this film. But first, a physical overview of this fitness tracker. The body is made up of metal. Here they have given the branding Noise Colorfit Pro, the heart rate monitor and the blood pressure monitor, the charging pins, and the screen is made up of glass and AMOLED glass, and very strong body. And the straps are made up of metal and silicone. So in order to connect this band, first we'll have to charge this. So to put it in the charging dock, we have to press the charging dock like this at the edge, and we have to match the pins. I hope you can see this. And once the pins are matched, we can plug this charger, this wire into a charger, and this will charge. So friends, this fitness tracker comes pre-charged. So the moment you plug this charger, this fitness tracker into the charger, it automatically starts. So now let's connect it to the phone. So guys, this is the DA Fit app, and clicking on the to add button, here is the Noise Colorfit Pro, and the moment we click on this, the band gets connected. So that's a great thing. And going to the connected devices section, we have many apps options here, and going to the watch faces section. Now here we have three options. The first one is editable, and the second two are pre-designed ones. Yes, this is the editable. We can even select the picture, and the notifications panel, all the applications we get here. In the alarm section, we can add up to 3 alarms at a time, and the shutter system, which allows we to click the pictures from the watch itself. Other section we get here, find device, time formats, unit system, do not disturb, quick view, valid period, all day heart rate measurement, language, and even the weather options. This is the quick view one, and oh sorry, this is the same thing. And the upgrade option, we can upgrade our band from here. So guys, now I have connected the smartwatch to my smartphone, And now let's attach the straps. So in order to attach the straps, you need to push these button kind of things. Let me show you. First insert this pin at one side and then push the buttons, and it's a bit tricky task, but it's not that easy. And similarly on the second side, and it's very much tricky, guys. Yes, so it's not done. So friends, now let's go through this band once. So this is our main screen. This band comes with a 3 cm or 1.2 inch color full HD display. So the whole screen is not touch screen, but we get a touch button here through which we can easily scroll through the menu. And this is the main screen, and this is for the sports section, and the step counter, calories burned and distance traveled. And this one shows the sleep, the heart rate monitor. This is the heart rate monitor, and this is stop because it says please be good. And this one is training for all the sports activities, walking, running, cycling, skipping, badminton, basketball, football, swimming. So many sports activities we can browse through. And the SpO2 monitor, the weather section, message and music player, camera shutter and others. Let's see. So in other section we get styles. We get 3 styles here. The first one, as I have shown you in the screen recording one, is editable. Second and third are custom. And this is the stopwatch and mute, reset to watch, power of the watch, and brightness control of the watch. And this is the QR code to download the application of this watch, the DA-Fit app. I'll leave the link of this application in the description. So guys, this much in this video. Next time we'll meet with another gadget in a new video. Till then, stay tuned. And if you like the video, please don't forget to hit the like button. And if you are new to the channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If you have any further questions, please ask them in the comment section below. Thank you.